welcome back to the Dream Cruise vlogs. I am starting off my day by organizing these shirts, and I'm going to start packaging them up to send out to people hopefully tomorrow. So let's go ahead and start doing that. So after laying out all of the orders and getting down to the last couple of them, I seem to be short a couple shirts. Alright, so I went over, double checked all of the numbers, and it turns out I messed up. Print shop did not mess up. Good thing I over ordered. I was just short one black shirt. Everything is sorted out now. I just need to figure out which ones I can give to people locally and which ones I am shipping, and then start packaging. Alright, all the local orders packaged up so I can take those out with me, keep them in the car and hand them to people, and then these are all the orders that need to be shipped out, which should hopefully, when you're watching this video, already be sent out. A couple international ones, they'll take a little bit longer, but yeah, I'm pretty hyped. Also, if anybody has had clothing made before, is it acceptable for print shops to give you clothing back with these like grubby ass marks on them? Like this shirt I've kept for myself because I really didn't want to send it out to anybody. This is the worst of them, and I think it's like black dye from doing bits, but I don't really know if that's acceptable. There's a couple of them that have like marks along the bottom, but I don't really know if I should hit up the print company and be like, hey, you left these a little filthy, I can't clean them. Like I don't know if it's stained in there, and I'm not going to wash these shirts before I send them out. But, you know, I don't want to give customers shirts that have marks on them. So, am I liable for that, or is the print shop liable? I'm not worried about it because it's for myself, and I'll just keep this t-shirt to work on cars, but yeah, I know. I can't, if somebody's paid for a shirt, I'm not going to send them a crappy shirt, so no, I'm going to try and see if I can have the few replaced that are messy. Thankfully, my mum is being a gem and writing addresses for me because my handwriting's terrible. And you have... Oh. You can take break in about 40 minutes, Mum.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Finally headed out to the meet location. Need to get some food first. I'm absolutely dying of hunger right now. Remembering to take a broom with me because the ground's kind of crappy in there, so I'll clean up some debris if I have to. Sick ass taillights because we don't have the resistor in the switchbacks we put in here, so it's gonna do that for a couple weeks until the car goes back to a SAD, but that's whatever. I'm pretty sure that's still legal. That's a turn signal. You can clearly see that I'm trying to turn, right? Whatever, it'll be fine. So I just rocked up to the spot that I'm hosting the meet at, and obviously I'm here super early. There's nobody here yet, but we're at the spot right now. Here it is. It's like this deserted service lot for an old warehouse that got knocked down. Just a cool spot to shoot pictures at. So got about 30 minutes until people start showing up. First couple people showed up. Brandon, Anthony. Anthony's parking Amy right now. How you doing?
Doing good, man. How about you?
I'm doing good.
That's good.
Damn, dude. Who gave you that spot?
The guy that's throwing this thing, I guess? I don't know.
That VIP.
Yeah, I was the only one.
What you doing?
I am taking photos, and
It's an MKX.
My shit's fucked.
Wait, come and talk me through your fucking arches right now.
Oh, so, alright. Well, I slammed the shit out of it.
We got Hot Boy right here.
And I was rubbing on it like crazy. So I just decided to take the fender roller to it and roll and pull them.
It's so goddamn far out now.
Yeah. And I still rub. That's the worst part about it. I still rub.
Oh! Damn, dude, you coming in way too hot boy right now.
Back it out. Utter tragedy.
Oh! Oh! Nice to see you again. Park wherever looks cool. Managed to cover the giant bump so nobody else hits it. What wing is this?
Dodge Charger.
Look at how perfect it fits on this car. Like it's like a Dollar General 326 wing. So we got probably two of the really clean cars from Michigan come out. It's really awesome to see. Not often that you'll see cars this nice, especially this is a static car. I appreciate for Florida that's not considered static, but for Michigan and a car this clean, pretty impressive. And this thing's just wild. What do you guys think?
Solid turnout, man.
Yeah, it's lit. It's pretty good.
Plus, I haven't seen a lot of these cars before, so it's nice to see something new.
Yeah, all right.
I've never seen that.
This is like the first time I've been to a meet in Michigan where I haven't seen the same cars. And it's my own meet.
Amen. Yeah.
I think this is one of my new favorite cars in Michigan. I've known the guy forever, but still have not seen the car up until now, and it looks so good. More people rolling up. Damn, all right, Paul Walker. Guys, this is like a really cool moment for me because this is the stuff that I've wanted to do in Michigan forever, and I've finally taken the initiative to actually like set something up, and this is like a really good turnout. Like there's a lot of cars here that do not usually come out, you don't usually see around. Michigan has terrible roads, so stance here is kind of difficult, but this is sick, and I want to keep developing the scene here in Michigan. More towards like a show scene where people want to build their cars to look cool, and you know, I enjoy going fast as much as the next person, but like creating a work of art I think is awesome. So hats off to all of these dudes for coming out. Like this is sick. No!
He's not parking. Park it the other way around.
No, what happened, dude? No!
Oh, okay, good.
Alright, I'm keeping this as like a memory for the first meet that we've set up here. And then the next meet that we do, this is the trophy for best of show. From now on, collect all broken parts from the meets. They're trophies.
We gotta put like a golden LEP automotive sticker.
Oh yeah, I got that.
Best in show. You know,
I'm a happy person right now.
that's an NSX.
One of my favorite cars in Michigan is pulling up.
Is that Ken?
Yes. It's a first gen NSX on Workmeisters.
Oh baby. It's like, this is one of those cars that you never see. It never comes out.
Yep.
I don't blame him.
It's a Michigan car, but you never see it. Damn. Ooh, flossy boy. Damn.
Scattered ass parking.
Everyone's doing photo shoots.
Oh, I guess.
This is the fucking spot, my guy. Sam Colton. Yeah. Got that sticker on there this time.
Sticker!
Alright, everyone watch me. Tell me this dude doesn't look like the guy who presents for fucking Donut Media. You look just like him. No. Why? I like him.
Hey, those are some fucking sexy offsets, bro. Is that an automatic?
Hey, don't scrape on the way out. Aw, weak sauce.
Come on, bro.
You look great.
Come on. You doing a video?
Yes.
Guess who works up front? Guess who works out back?
I know you do. Thanks for coming out, man. Good to see you, man. guys, time to head out after some burnouts. I am so pleased with the turnout we had for this. It was really awesome. It felt great to put something on in Michigan that was a little bit different, and I want to continue to do this for sure. But yeah, now I think the plan is to head out to Woodward. Somebody else is doing a burnout now and I'm missing it. And I was too caught up in like talking to everyone that I didn't get to film any cool shit. So it is what it is, but I am so excited. Everybody's still fucking doing burnies. I totally didn't look at this when it was parked over the other spot.
Oh, really?
Yo, this is sick. What's up, daddy? Immediately, as soon as we're in here, the cops are here right away. Thanks, Royal Oak.
I don't have registration or anything.
Mans. I'm gonna put this shit on right now. If anybody sees me at Me's and you want stickers, come get stickers because they're free. You ain't gonna pay for these. Woodwood's starting to die down, but I'm gonna stick my camera up on the window because I don't want to film with this massive camera while I'm driving. It's kind of sketchy, it's busy. I mean, you shouldn't do that anyway, but yeah, I'm gonna mount it up there and just film the cars. Hopefully we get some decent shots, but let's go. How do you feel now your car's gone?
Great.
Great.
My bank account getting real thick on them. Makes me feel real good.
Trying to figure out what the fuck he's watching. I thought it was gonna be the music video to the song, but it's like some fucking TV show.
You think it would be?
That hurts so bad. Welcome to the random and wonderful things of the Dream Cruise.
Last year we had a goat, and this year we have this.
Right? Where the fuck is Goat Man?
Goatman's in Detroit. He's been on the move.
Damn.
RP my niggas, bring my dogs too. Bitches know the heat, nigga. I take 100 to my jeweler, that way like. Come off the top with everything on right. Go get the traffic, everything on fight. Catch you in traffic, leave a nigga at the light. $1,000 shoes, $1,000 shirt. My bitch got on a $5,000 purse. Sunday leave the club lit, feel like we out of church. 30,000 in my pants, like I came to bad church. I ain't made it, I can't rap about no Moose.
My man's taking off like immediately.
Yeah, he's like,
He's like, wasn't me. Oh shit. Wow.
Supercharger?
No, Randy's the fucking man.
FRS is fast.
Damn, boy. Damn, I thought this was just a regular truck, and then I saw this paint. This thing is fucking gorgeous. Dude, that is nice. Alright guys, I'm gonna end off the video here. It's been a pretty long day. Packing orders, going out to the meet, which was a blast by the way, and then heading up Woodward for hours. I got to talk to a lot of people today, meet a lot of faces, so that was really cool, and thank you to everybody that came out to the meet. It's the first time I've done something like that, and I'm glad that it went as well as it did. I'd like to start doing that more in Michigan. There isn't much of a show car presence here, and I'd like to start pushing the scene or more people towards that and like just expressing themselves through their cars. And it's cool to have these little meets set up where you basically just come and socialize. It's not crazy busy. You can park your car up away from other cars and take pictures, you know, create content, do whatever you want to do. And it's just like a very expressive environment, which is really cool, and I'm glad that we could do it. And then Woodward was pretty crazy afterwards, which it's only going to get progressively crazier throughout this week. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you tune in tomorrow for the next Dream Cruise vlog, and we will see you then. Oh, pardon me. All right, bye, guys.